Hi everyone, welcome back again to another housing vlog. To ensure you don't miss any new videos when we upload them, we encourage those who are new to our channel to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Videos are regularly posted on our channel, so stay subscribed. In today's video, I have this 3 BHK apartment for sale in Bengaluru. Overall, the apartment is spread across 1010 square feet of built up area and has got 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and 1 balcony. The flat is located on the 11th floor and is facing east direction with overlooking garden, clubhouse and pool. All the very best schools, colleges, hospitals, major banks, ATMs, metro connectivity and public transportation, malls and important business parks are hardly distance from the project site. The flat is unfurnished and the ownership of the property is freehold. The apartment is located in a gated community with all the amenities. The project is spread across 4.5 acres of land parcel with total 4 towers, and post completion 500 plus families will be residing in here happily. So folks, this beautiful society is located towards Varthur main road, which is in east part of Bengaluru. And the asking price for this flat is 93 lakhs, non-negotiable. That's it guys from this video. Hope you all found it interesting and useful. Meet you all in the next one.